family and friends, welcome back once again to Mama Naija's kitchen. What do we have for you today? Something delicious, crunchy, sweet, finger licking, yes, coconut shrimp. You got it, air fried coconut shrimp. Grab your seats, let's get at it. Thank you all for your support, family and friends. For the month of May, you guys were awesome. All right, so we have a new threshold for June. June, we want to hit 10,000 subscribers. Yes, you heard me, 10,000 subscribers for the month of June. I know we can do it because of you. So, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, and share to your someone. I'm sure there is someone that you know that can gain 1 or 2 things from this video. Please continue to share, and thank you for your actual love and support. To make our easy, simple, delicious, and crunchy finger-licking air-fried coconut shrimp, you need the most important part of your ingredient, the shrimp. You can use any shrimp of any size. In this case, I purchased a giant jumbo shrimp in the 4-pound bag from Costco, and I was impressed. First thing is to clean the shrimp. It was quite easy to clean up the shrimp because it was already deveined. All I had to do was peel off the shell all the way to the beginning of the tail. I left the shell on the tail end because I needed to butterfly this shrimp. Give it a sophisticated flair. It is quite easy to do. You might have to play with it 1 or more times, but the outcome is definitely worth it. So butterflying the shrimp, you want to make additional slit towards the head of the shrimp and flatten it on the surface after cleaning. So you will see that I will continually repeat that process throughout. At this point, I'm going to take a few more minutes, to continue with the cleaning of the shrimp until all the shrimp has been completely cleaned and ready to be butterflied. We're going to need 1 lemon for preparing the shrimp. Half of the lemon I will use to wash the shrimp, and the other half will be used for seasoning. So once my shrimp has been fully washed, I'm transferring it now into a clean bowl where I will be adding all of the ingredients and have it sit and marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. Ensure that the shrimp is free of water. Now add the ingredients. First, we want to add nothing but Mama Naija Green seasoning. Yay! Drum roll, guys. Yes, Mama Naija Green seasoning goes first. Then we're gonna add on the rest of the ingredients. Keep watching. To recreate this recipe, a detailed instruction is listed in the description box. Please check it out. You will need it, guys. I got you covered. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, which is going to help create that golden brown sheen and crunchiness. We're going to grate the yellow aspect of the outer skin for our lemon rind and squeeze the lemon juice into the shrimp. Of course, I could have used the lemon squeezer to prevent the seed from getting into my food, but I didn't, guys. So lesson learned here. Use the lemon squeezer if you have one, because as you can see, that seed is now proving stubborn. Back. Now we're gonna add our seasoning. So this is ginger, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, garlic, yes, 2 tablespoons of garlic. Everything else is 1 teaspoon. Then I'm gonna also add on some Montreal seasoning here. Montreal seasoning, chilli seasoning, dark chilli seasoning, some pepper, and lemon rind. Okay. Now give it a good mix until all the ingredients is fully incorporated into the shrimp, covering all surface layers of the shrimp. Look at that, guys. The shrimp is looking so good and yummy already. Oh, the aroma perfusing into this kitchen atmosphere is just intoxicating. You need to be here or create this better yet in your kitchen, guys. Yes, it's just a hint on something palatable coming your way. Yes. A perfect time to add on 1/3 cup of milk. You could also use whole milk, but I'm using 2% milk. So in this milk bath filled with spices and seasoning, the shrimp is going to soak it all up, tenderized, and marinate for the next 30 minutes to 1 hour in the fridge. All right, are you getting ready for the fun part of it? So while the shrimp is marinating, we're going to prepare our dredging mixtures. I'm using 2 eggs, which I'm going to whisk and add on 1/2 cup of water into the mixture. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of flour and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning or seasoning salt or any seasoning of your choice. Give it a good mix until it is fully incorporated. For the final coating, I'm going to be using the sweetened coconut flakes. Put about 1 cup in a bowl and refill as needed. Alright guys, if you have been watching, I'm sure this is giving you some value. Take a minute and hit that subscription button, the notification bell, like and share. Okay, now let's get ready for the dredging. You want to place as many as possible shrimp into the egg bath because we're going to give the shrimp a good egg wash. Wash the shrimp on both sides so that it is fully coated. Then transfer it into the mixture of flour and seasoning for dredging. For dredging, we're going to coat again the shrimp on both sides, including the tail. Yes, I love my tails coated. Then dust off excess flour. Dredge the other side. Dust off excess flour. Transfer that back into the egg bath and give it another good coating. Final step is to transfer that into the bowl of coconut flakes and coat both sides of the shrimp. Once the shrimp is fully coated on all sides, now transfer that shrimp onto the air fryer baking rack and position it in the butterfly wing with it flat on its belly. Continue with the 3 steps dredging process until all the shrimps that you are using are all fully coated, butterflied, and resting on the baking rack. Who does not like some breathing space? So does the shrimp. So be sure to give it about 1 to 2 inches of breathing space. The shrimp will thank you for it later. Space it out just like so. A very important tip: always spray your pan or your rack before you place your food on it so that it does not stick during the baking process. So once you have a full pan, transfer that into the air fryer oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Halfway into the baking process, remember to remove the rack and flip those babies on the other side so that you will have a very crunchy, coated outer layer on both sides of the shrimp, and also prevent one side from getting burnt. To exponentially heighten the flavor and aroma infused by the shrimp, you want to drizzle melted butter all over the top of the shrimp. That is going to give every bite out of this world experience. Yes, guys. Yes, the aroma perfuse is just intoxicatedly overwhelming. I just can't wait to get a bite into the shrimp. Crunchy looking outside, but soft and crunchy. Juiciness on the inside. Oh boy, this is to die for. Yes. Are you ready for this? Yes. Take a close look at this shrimp. Guys, I really don't know. I don't know what else to say. I am speechless on this one, okay? So speechless. This is state of the art coconut shrimp straight from your own kitchen. And you have Mama Naija recipe to go with it. You can create this. Create your essential moment and enjoy it. Imagine at your next occasion creating this delicacy for yourself and your guests to enjoy, or just having that special evening. As I always say at Mama Naija Kitchen, we have to create the quality of our world. It is in your hands. So what are you waiting for, guys? Make it happen. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for our next episode. You will be amazed.